Not every upgrade changes a car. Some upgrades change its soul. The Porsche 911, already born iconic, timeless curves, precision engineering, pure performance. But something was missing, the voice, so we gave it one. Every bolt removed, every pipe aligned, every detail crafted for one purpose, to make this machine breathe louder, deeper, meaner. This isn't just an exhaust replacement, it's a transformation, from refined to raw, from silent confidence to unmistakable presence. Is how a 911 was meant to sound.